yung mami ko naka-receive ng delivery from JNT. Ayan, I don't know, sender seedling. So, mukhang nalo ko na naman ako kasi I received it and this is for 499. My mom said na hindi naman siya umorder. So, ang dami talagang nadating sa amin from JNT na hindi naman ino-order na mami ko pero it keeps on coming. Let me just check what's in it. By the way, punit siya kasi pinay ko na siyang buksan. Manawakan mo nga yung camera. Tutok mo. Tutok mo ha. Eman. Kuha ka ang gansan yan. Oh, wait lang mahal. So, let's see. So my mom asked me to open this to check what's in it. So yun nga, and we didn't buy or order anything online daw. Especially from Davao. Siyempre kailangan kasi tinatapos ko siya So, ito na nga guys. Pinadala ng mami ko ng bulok na orchid. See, 500 pesos for nothing. Oh my gosh, JNT. What's wrong with you guys? Walang pangalan yung sender.